Hello, seminar students. I'm sorry I couldn't be at Ames Middle School with you today. However, I am learning how to teach you better at a conference for Iowa's talented and gifted teachers in Des Moines today. I will look forward to joining you again next week. In the meantime, here are some ideas about what I'd like you to do today with your time in seminar. Do you remember the Brain Project activity log? It's in your Google Classroom. Under Brain Project Activity Log, I'm going to show you a few things that I want you to work on while I'm gone this week. If you'd like to, you can pause the video right now and open up your Brain Activity Log so you can be doing this activity alongside me. Okay, and we're back if you've opened your Google Classroom and opened this document. I want to show you how we can make very specific goals on this activity log to help you get this project done by November 7th. The very first thing you need to do is decide what your final project is going to be. You need to begin with the end in mind. For a lot of you, this is going to be the hardest part. I know you have lots of ideas and can't decide on just one. If you'd like to at this time, you can pause this video and you can talk to a seatmate or someone next to you about what they might do for their final project and get a few ideas. Okay, if you're back and you've got a few ideas now, you're going to start the goal setting by typing in on the November 7th date what you're going to do for your final presentation. As an example, I'm going to say that I'm going to create a brain chemistry board game. Okay, knowing that this is going to be my final project really helps me set specific goals for myself for the next 3 weeks. For example, this week, because I'm doing a brain chemistry board game, I'm going to need to know a lot of science behind the brain. So I'm going to look at my brain project instructions where all the brain research is compiled for you on your Google Classroom. I'm going to choose some of the articles. Remember, you don't have to read all of them. I'm going to choose the ones that apply best to my final project. I'm going to choose Your Brain is Plastic and The Chemical Mind because I know they'll have plenty of science-related information for my board game. So I'm going to type in here, read 2 articles, the 2 articles being, well actually I'm going to read The Chemical Mind and watch Your Brain is Plastic. Okay, that is my goal for October 17th. Of course, I need to take notes on brain chemistry to include in board game. Okay, on the 24th, I want to continue my research, so I'm going to read The Teen Brain Still Under Construction and another science article, Adolescent Brains Open to Change. I'm going to read those 2 science articles, Teen Brain Open to Change, The Amazing Adolescent Brain, and I'm going to start using notes to create rules to my game. On the 31st, I'm going to make the playing board, cards, and rules to my game. I might even beta test it with some friends if I have time. This puts me in good shape to present my brain chemistry board game on November 7th. Now, as you recall, the What I Actually Did column is something you fill out at the end of the period to reflect on how you spent your time in class. So my goals, if my goals for today were to read and watch But all I did was watch my brain is plastic. Then I would type in, watched your brain is plastic. My reflection is I did not complete all the goals I had for today. I may have to read this article in study hall or at home to stay on pace for my final project. Now, remember when I said there was going to be no homework in seminar because I did not want to stress you out. That is still true for you. If you are able to make goals that fit what you can do in seminar and you're able to get them done without getting distracted, you won't have any homework. However, if you find that all your friends are in seminar and you're having a really hard time staying focused, you may find yourself with a little bit of seminar homework. Now, you can see how we want to fill out this chart. After you've filled out this chart, you may have the rest of the period to research. After you've filled out this chart, I'd also like you to submit it to me in Google Classroom. Thank you for watching the video and working hard today in my absence. I look forward to seeing you when I get back.